Sometimes your Toshiba remote control might not work with your TV, but this is a problem that can be solved. I'll give you a few tips to try that will hopefully fix your remote so you can get it working again. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to try is to remove the batteries from the remote control completely. Then go over to your TV and unplug the TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. That is what we call a hard reset of your TV. Then plug the TV back in and put the batteries back in the remote control and try to use it to see if it works. If that doesn't work, then let's move on to the second method. Take the batteries out of the remote control again, and as crazy as it sounds, go through and push every button on the remote control a few times. Sometimes dirt and dust get built up in these buttons, and in doing this, it helps to free up the buttons in case they get stuck or cause a remote to malfunction. If that doesn't work, then let's try this third thing, and that's to replace the batteries for a fresh set of new ones. You probably have already tried this method, but it's a good reminder to anyone who hasn't. If replacing the batteries doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do is just order a replacement remote control. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get a new remote and new batteries. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.